Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will let you know how you can extra clean the windows, how you can completely clean your windows, and after that you will get pretty much lightweight application. So I have found a very good application onto the GitHub. I'm going to share with you right now. And if you go onto the Chrome browser, you have to type just Rapfire and or you can simply type just Windows 11 Debloat. Once you type it, then you have to click it, and once you click it, then you will have complete detail of the software. This Windows 11 Bloatware is a lightweight, easy to use PowerShell script that allows you to quickly uh, optimize your PC and Windows, and it will also enhance your experience. So just you have to click on to this, and then you have to click on to the download zip. It will be downloaded instantly. It is pretty much lightweight application. Just you need to navigate it. And once it is downloaded, you need to go onto the uh, download folder. And let's go onto the download folder. And you need to just right click on it and extract here. So let me extract here, extract all. We will extract here. And it is extracting. It is pretty much lightweight application. No need to install anything. Just it will be run directly on your PC. So now it is extracted successfully. Now you have to double click on it and just you have to right click on this run. And after that, you have to run as an administrator and run. And after that, you will have this sort of wizard, and it is currently being started in front of you. So it is initializing and launching the app. So let me minimize the other applications or browsers so that we can give you a clear view. So it is being launching, and once it is launching, then we will have the main interface. So we have the visit and welcome to Win 11 Debloat. And after that, you will have a couple of options over here, other users, current users, and you can choose the default user, which is the administrator. So we will go for the current user. And after that, you can choose the default mode. In this mode, this software or tool will decide automatically that what needs to be removed and what needs to be remaining on your computer. So obviously, we will go through the customized setup. Once you click onto the customized setup, then you will have all the details. So now we have to click onto the only show installed apps, because in computer we have a lot of apps. So we only focus onto the installed apps. So, but in your case, obviously you can decide that what you need to remove and what you need to keep in your computer. So we will click onto the only show installed apps. And once you click it, it will loading all the apps that are installed or pre-installed inside the Windows. And once it is loaded, then we will move ahead. So all these applications are available here. Just we will go on to the quick select and we will click onto the default apps. So you can see that a lot of apps have already been selected, and some apps we will select by ourselves that what we need to delete and what we need to keep in our computer. So we don't need Xbox. Obviously, I never play games over the computer. So obviously, I'm going to check this as well. So Xbox is will be no more in my computer. And let's have a look. Get help Windows. I don't need this. Mail and calendar. I don't need this. Media player. Keep as it is. I don't use Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Store. I don't use it because generally I download software from the directly from the website. So and after that, the text editor app, I hardly use it. I hardly use it. And I don't want this, don't want this, don't want this, don't want this. And and snapping tool, sometime I use it. So uh, I don't widget experience. I don't need it, don't need it. Windows terminal, leave it. I don't need it. And after that, we need to check some more like Xbox. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. And then click next. So after that, we will have this software will give you a facility to stop the telemetry services as well, apart from the other Debloat software. This will give you more extensive views, comprehensive view, so you can customize and maximum clean your windows at the maximum level. So obviously, we will check all these options. I don't need telemetry and tips, and obviously that's it. And drag and drop moving files, disable it, disable it, disable it, disable it, and fast startup. This keep as it is, and disable and disable. And after that, we will do for all the users, and we have to here we have to select, and we need to remove for all the users. We'll select this and hide recommended section in the start menu, disable, and after that we will check Windows option, prevent getting updates as soon as available. Check this. AI, obviously we don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it. And in the taskbar, hide taskbar view and button, hide it, leave as it is, and you can select other options as well. File Explorer, show extension, no, not needed, not needed, not needed, not needed, not needed, not needed. And you can obviously appear disable temporary effects, disable it. It will give the extra boost to our computer, and disable and disable. And after that, that optional features, sandbox, disable, disable, and multitasking like Windows mapping, show suggestion, is disable, disable, and disable. So rest of the things you can do by yourself according to your requirements. So I have done best services from my side. I have done the best from my side, and I hope we will get marvelous results. So let's hit the next and wait for the results. Then after that, we have to click, obviously, for all the users. We have to make sure that this option is uh, selected. And after that, you have to create a store point, restore point. It is a good practice because if you are doing some changes in your Windows 11 operating system, so it is a good practice. You need to create a restore point. But in my case, I'm not going to do that. So, but in your case, you have, if you keep this option on, it would be great for you. So because I have tested this application several times onto the computer, so I'm pretty much sure, but you can go for the restore point as well. So restart the Windows Explorer process to apply all changes. Checkmark this and apply changes. And yes, so you can see that approximately 47 items are being deleted or disabled from our computer. And after that, you will get cleanest Windows 11, and you will get marvelous performance because I have already tested, and you will get amazing performance of Windows 11. If you are playing game, if you are doing office work, in any perspective, you will get best experience of Windows 11. So it is done. And please note Please note that some changes will only be affect after a reboot. So system requires reboot, and for time being, just I'm going to close it. And if we check start menu, so you can see that we have very minimal options and it is almost clean. So let's say search for anything like, so we don't have any Xbox over here, and we have completely clean our windows, and definitely you will get fast performances, and you will get further results after the, so you will have the minimum usage of CPU and other resources, and you will get wonderful experience, and definitely you will feel a major difference because you have cleaned the windows, and deep cleaning, you have done the deep cleaning, so you will get marvelous results. So now after that, you need to obviously restart. You can see that in the start menu, we have very minimal options, and it means that our Windows is neat and clean now, and no bloatware over here. So everything is good. And now just simply we need to restart our computer. And once restarted, the process will be complete and you will have amazing results. So let's restart it. So we have restarted our system and you can see that customizing features for you. So it is working for the customization. Some of the operations has already been performed and rest of the operation is performing during the restart. So once the restart done, I will be back and you will get finest and cleanest windows so that you can perform your day-to-day operation onto the Windows, day-to-day work onto the Windows with the perfection, and you will get lighter weight windows. Now the computer has been restarted and I can see the smoothness of the computer. If I open something, everything is open instantly and it is pretty much lightweight and much better. So Windows is working absolutely fine and you can also try on your system and you will get lighter weight Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.